I'm Callie Plaguey for IGN News. A new set of cards called XY Breakthrough has been revealed for the English Pokemon trading card game. The set introduces new break cards that are landscape design and have a unique foil pattern. They are placed sideways over the top of an existing Pokemon to give them an HP boost and add new attacks. The announcement on Pokemon's website showed off break cards for both Raichu and Chestnut, and a press release also mentions a break card for Zoroark. Wondering why they're gold-plated? The announcement says that the Pokemon break come from two worlds, quote, one of technology, one world of nature, end quote. So that will play into each Pokemon break card's new look. The set will include over 160 cards with 6 new Pokemon Break and 8 new Pokemon EX, including 4 Mega Evolution Pokemon. There will also be 2 new 60-card theme decks, Burning Spark and Night Striker. With 4 Pokemon Break revealed, that leaves 2 more to go. We also know 3 of the 4 Megas thanks to Mega Mewtwo X, Mega Mewtwo Y, and Mega Houndoom being featured on the booster packs. The Pokemon XY Breakthrough expansion will come out on November 4th, and the cards will also be playable on the Pokemon trading card game online. For more on all things Pokemon, stay tuned to IGN.